pushing air out, vibrating. This is fun. Wah, wah. I'm gonna. The lips need to be touching and they need to vibrate. I'm, and then gonna. The tip of the tongue is touching the roof of the mouth, the alveolar ridge. Na. I'm gonna. I'm gonna. Naturally speaking, I'm gonna go with you. I'm gonna leave now. That's how it works. Reduction. It's good. Reduce. Natural speaking. A tip. Tip of the tongue, alveolar ridge, behind the teeth. I. Vowel sound is short and low. It's not E, it's not teep, it's tip. Final sound is P. The lips are touching and they push out air. This has to be strong. Tip. That's how you need to practice it. You exaggerate when you practice, and then you'll get it right. One of the biggest problems from students studying North American English is their word endings are too weak. Make them strong. I'll give you some tips. I have more tips to come. Maybe some stock tips. Okay, we're dealing with stuff. Very common word. Let's pronounce it right. Stuff. Stuff. Okay, st. Easy. Vowel sound is short and low. It's not stuff. It's stuff. Stuff. Final sound is f. Bottom lip touching the upper teeth, pushing air out. Stuff. Exaggerate it when you practice it. More good stuff to come, I promise. Okay, the word is that. That is nice, right? Okay, tongue pushed out beyond the front teeth, under the teeth, vibrating. Gotta push the tongue out. If you don't push the tongue out, you can't make the sound correctly. Vowel sound is a. Last sound t. That. Make sure you push the tongue and vibrate it. That sounds very good. That is excellent. Okay? That's all you got to do, but don't be afraid to push the tongue out. Don't be afraid. Nothing to fear, but fear itself. Okay, this one is works, or work. W, rounded lips. Wah. This is fun. Wah. Okay, rounded lips. Now the can be difficult for many people. Your tongue is not touching anything. It's curled, not touching anything. Push your lips forward. Works. I think you're going to have to work on this one.